In this video, I'm going to show how I made the blue bubbling baking soda and vinegar for my YouTube shorts. This is baking soda. I'm going to make this thing turn into a blue light. I'm going to put the baking soda, vinegar, food coloring in this bottle, and afterwards put a flashlight under it, and it should make everything blue, including the wall and everything else around. So that is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Make sure I get all the stuff out of the funnel. Okay, next is vinegar. I'm going to pour 2 drops of food coloring in there. 1, 2. Okay, next, this container, that's a 1/2 cup, and pour the vinegar in there. Okay. Next, I'll get a container that holds 1/4 cup and fill it most of the way full. A ratio of 12:1 of vinegar to baking soda is approximately what I'm using, which in this case comes out to be 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 3/4 cup of vinegar. So I'm going to pour both of them in at once and watch what happens. Go! Wow, it's bubbling in blue. That's pretty cool. Okay, next I'm going to get a light. Hey, it's still bubbling. I'm going to get a light, and after I wipe it off, and put under it, well, put it behind it, then I'll put the light under it, and you can see what happens. I'm going to turn these other 2 lights off. There's one. Turn that light off. Now for the good part. Okay, you can start to see some of it now. And whenever I lift the bowl and put the light under it, it'll look way cooler. And right there. Wow. That's how you make a blue light and blue bubbles with baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring. Please subscribe, click like, and let me know what you think in the comments.